Alright, so today we're doing a video, and I basically found this guy for $5. So this is what I've been working on this week. I kind of put the Deep Space Nine station on hold. I want to light that model up, but I don't know, it's kind of difficult. But yeah, all the pieces are here for this, so at some point I have to start painting it, but I got it completely assembled. There are seam lines, but I think I'll just leave them on this one. I mean, this is a figure that's gonna be really, really cool to paint. I may not go with the original color. I might change it up a little bit. I mean, there's a lot of detail. I broke the base, so I had to super glue it on. So, yeah, this is gonna look kind of funny. And I don't know if it'll even stay at this point. But I think for the most part, there's gonna be we're gonna do black for the underneath tones. And I might even do this in pink. I don't know. I don't know. But that's kind of what I've been working on. I don't know when I will get to the Deep Space Nine build again. Alright. Well, have a fun weekend. Happy Halloween.